Hello YouTube, this is an update. Big old tires. We bought a tire a couple days ago from Crosswind HT. This is a Mesa, I don't know if you can read that or not, AP3 or AIP3, hell I don't know. It's like AP3, but it's MS plus or whatever. LT235 8516 on a 95 F350 dually. Mesa AP3. They say it's made by Cooper. I don't know. There's a Yokohama back there, Geolander, I believe. And she was telling us supposedly these sidewalls on these tires, the way they're made, they get a bulge with that. If you watch my other tire about the crosswind, it had a bulge in it. Well, and right here, there's a bulge a little bit. And this tire doesn't have, well, let's see. I'm gonna say not even 5 miles, maybe. We just got it tonight. They put a new valve stem in for us, thank you. Anyhow, they I don't know much about them, but she said, like I said, she said they're made by Cooper. See, it's all smooth right there until they're up right there. There's a little, and then right here another one, and up here is a little more noticeable. But you can see that. See, and it's all smooth all the way around. But these other tires, I'm pretty sure, don't have that problem. Smooth sailing. This is old Yokohama here. And damn good tires, boys. Damn good tires. And look at this one. Smooth. 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 No, none of that crap going on. And this is a Cooper. This tire is about a year old. And it's an AT3. It's kind of one of my favorites, really. Between the Yokohama and this Cooper, it's hard to choose, man. But tread's still good. This truck has very low miles. It's not driven every day. You wouldn't believe me if I told you how many miles this 95 F350 has. 7.3 diesel. 5-speed manual. Look at this Cooper, man. Damn. This is my favorite here, man. No bump. Nope. No bump. No bump. Nope. Smooth sailing. And anyway, so she's a little dirty, but yeah, locked right now. Oh well. But some of y'all might be a little more knowledgeable than me. I love the feedback. But like I said, they replaced it for free. And I asked them what was the step up from a crosswind. And they said this Mesa. I said, okay. So they put it on and they didn't charge for it. So, you know, I like them. I thought that was pretty good.
I toasted you.
They said this tire was more expensive than the Crosswind HT by Linglong. It's $118 tire before taxes and all that labor stuff, and she's claimed this one was a $140 tire. I'll put some information down in the description. But yeah, so tell me your experiences with either brand, so I appreciate it, and thank you, and have a good night.